welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a sling bag or a cross bag for mobile. This cross bag can fit all sizes of mobile phones. I used shell stitch in this bag and it's very easy yet very cute and quick to make. You will need a cotton yarn or any type of yarn and 3mm crochet hook. Let's start with the slip knot. And chain 26. Single crochet into the second chain and single crochet all the way around. We have to mark our first single crochet so you will not get confused. So this is the last stitch. So now we're going to work on the opposite side of the first row. So single crochet all the way around of the opposite side of the first row. So continue single crochet until you reach on the first mark, the first single crochet. Slip stitch on the first single crochet. Chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch. Skip 2 stitches and 5 double crochet into the third stitch. Skip 2 stitches and single crochet into the third stitch. Now this is the first shell stitch we made, and skip 2 stitches again and 5 double crochet into the third stitch. Continue repeating the same pattern until the end of this round. Slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 3 and 4 double crochet into the same stitch. Now we're going to single crochet into the third shell stitch. Skip 2 stitches and make 5 double crochet into a single crochet. And single crochet into the third shell stitch. Just keep repeating the same pattern until you reach the end of this round. Now this is how we join the stitch. Slip stitch into the third chain. And make 2 more slip stitch. Chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch. Skip 2 stitches and make 5 double crochet into a single crochet. And see you at the end of this round. Slip stitch on the first single crochet, chain 3 and make 4 double crochet into the same stitch, and continue repeating the same pattern until you reach the size or the length of your mobile. Now I reached my desired length, so we're going to slip stitch into the third chain and slip stitch 2 more times. Now this time we're going to crochet our cap or the cover of our bag. Chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch and 5 double crochet into a single crochet. And continue the same pattern until you reach the end of this round. So now we're going to stop here. We have to single crochet and turn our work. Turn your work Now we're going to slip stitch 3 times. Skip 2 stitches and make 5 double crochet into a single crochet. And the same pattern, single crochet and 5 double crochet and single crochet and 5 double crochet. Now we're going to single crochet here and we stop here. Now let's continue. Turn your work. Slip stitch 3 times. Chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch. Skip 2 stitches and make 5 double crochet into a single crochet. Skip 2 stitches and single crochet into the 3rd shell stitch. Turn your work. Slip stitch 3 times. And skip 2 stitches and make 5 double crochet into a single crochet. Now single crochet into the 3rd chain. Now we're almost done. Turn your work. Chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch. Chain 5. Skip 5 stitches and single crochet into the 6th stitch. Now we will single crochet all around. Now our buttonhole is done. Now this time we're going to stitch the sling of our bag. Start with slip knot. Insert your hook into the side of the bag or the corner of the bag and join the slip knot. Chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch. Turn your work. Chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch. Single crochet into the next stitch. Turn your work, chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch and single crochet into the next stitch. Continue the same pattern until you reach the desired length of the sling bag. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button down below. Thanks for watching.